34 million school hours are missed each year due to dental problems. That's why Crest and Oral-B are going the extra mile to change that. By helping to make sure that all Americans have access to dental care, oral hygiene education, and superior
We interrupt all broadcasting in your area. This is an urgent civil emergency message alert from the United States Geological Survey. After a strong earthquake hit the Sierra Nevada mountains, large pieces of the Sierra Nevada mountains have broken apart and are expected to impact the warned areas within minutes. Please evacuate west immediately, drive away from the Sierra Nevada mountains, and only drive on highways marked for evacuation.
Your dry skin story changes.
This is not a drill. An earthquake with a magnitude of 5.3 on the Richter scale is expected to strike the area within 2 minutes. Remain calm, drop, cover, and hold onto something sturdy.
Bring
The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Fresno, California, Kern, California, Madera, California, Mariposa, California, Tlalomi, California, Chitter, California beginning at 2:57 am and ending at 5:27 am, KMJ. Evacuate immediately. Large chunks of the Sierra Nevada foothills have broken down and are expected to hit the affected areas within minutes. Evacuate immediately, away from the Sierra Nevada foothills. It will not be safe here. Serious injury or death may be possible if someone refuses to evacuate. More information is on co.fresno.ca/evacuation.
$550.
Al.
No, Sean. Desiree.
Your attention, please. This is the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Operations Center with an emergency message for residents in the affected area about portions of the Sierra Nevada foothills that are expected to hit the counties of Monterey, Santa Barbara, and San Luis Obispo counties within minutes. At approximately 2:57 a.m., large chunks of the Sierra Nevada foothills may strike the central coast within minutes. These are expected to hit southern Monterey County and or northern San Luis Obispo County, but this may change as these are falling rapidly. We are issuing an evacuation order for people within these areas. Please be informed with another emergency alert in case of an all-clear alert or an emergency update.
It's perfection. I'm blessed when they summon the onions and dressing. The cheese is a flex. All the flavors so fresh. This is where I wanna be. where the taste is straight harmony.
Get a taste of that harmony with the new Sourdough Star at Carl's Jr. It's pure poetry. Feed your happy.
This message is for the heads of McDonald's and Burger King. Guys, I don't want to tell you how to run your business, but here's a tip. McDonald's, don't let your pre-assembled burgers sit in holding bins. And Burger King, those microwaves you use to reheat Whopper meat, lose them. Now I know you're thinking, hey Jack, how can we thank you for this helpful advice? Forget it. I'm getting more joy from this than you know. In fact, I'm so excited, I'll be counting the days till you change your ways.
A civil authority has issued hazardous materials warning for the following counties or areas: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, California, at 5:54 a.m. on November 21st, 2021, effective until 7:54 a.m. Message from SBCOEM. This is a radiological warning for the southern central coast. Due to materials from the Diablo Canyon nuclear power plant being released into the air after a chunk of the Sierra Nevada foothills collided with it, you are being ordered to evacuate or shelter in place with supplies that can last you for 2 weeks. Gas masks will also be needed to prevent inhaling these materials. More information can be provided on santabarbara.gov/emergency.
At the stores, turkeys are being sold out everywhere due to Thanksgiving drawing closer. So, yeah, if you're currently looking for a turkey, I suggest you try to, I don't know, like, good luck on that.
The civil authorities have issued an administrative message for Alpine, California, El Dorado, California, India, California, Moto, California, Nevada, California, Placer, California, beginning at 3:40 p.m. and ending at 4:10 p.m. Coram. The earthquakes were found to be triggering old explosive devices that were planted inside the mountains. This was what was causing large chunks of the mountains to collide into these areas. Bomb squads will be clearing up these devices as of this time. We'll inform you once an all-clear message is issued.
Okay, I'm sorry, we just got an alert for Eastern California, so we're very sorry about the inconvenience. So, anyways, back to talk about turkey sales around the area.